Hi everybody, it's Nalanie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film a quick 5 makeup hacks video for you guys. So the first hack I have is, what do you do if you get mascara on your face? You wait for it to completely dry and then you take a clean disposable mascara wand. The bristles on here is going to remove the mascara in half the amount of time. The second hack I have for you is how to have the best curl with your lashes. All you need to take is any eyelash curler that you own and heat it up with a blow dryer. Be really careful not to burn yourself. Not only will it curl in half the amount of time, but your curl will hold and last a lot longer. Another hack I have for you is if you have a cream product and it's starting to dry up, whether it's for your eyebrows or it's an eyeliner, all you need to do is add a drop or two of Sterline, just depending on how dried up your product is. It will revive it and it will save you so much money in the long run. The next hack I have for you is how to create a really nice, fluffy, feathery editorial eyebrow. All you need is a little bit of soap and you need a mascara wand and a little bit of facial spray or water. And just work this into your eyebrows and you are good to go. And the last hack I have for you is how to exfoliate your lips if you're too scared to use a lip scrub or a toothbrush because you're scared of tearing your skin, but you still need to exfoliate because we all need to exfoliate. All you need to do is grab a baby wipe and it will do its job. Just gently exfoliate. It is inexpensive, it is painless, and you don't have to worry about tearing your skin open. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 makeup hacks. If you would like me to film a separate video just going into more detail as to how to use all of these products into your routine and make it as best and easiest as possible for you, I can definitely film that. Just let me know in the comments below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.